Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can remove the CapCut watermark in the CapCut apps. As you can see, when we create a new project and we'll see the ending clip, which is CapCut watermark, but don't worry, you can delete it and you can set it so that it doesn't appear again in the next project. So how to delete, just click delete and select the clip, just click delete, and the watermark has been deleted, and you can set it so that it doesn't appear again in the next project. Just click setting icon at the top right corner, and then just turn off the add default ending. Just click just click discard. So that's it. I hope this simple tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.